Now, this is a watermelon plant right here that I have going. I've had this for about a month and a half or so, and it's this variety right here. The honey golden is actually one of my favorites. It's so sweet and actually fairly easy to grow within about 85 days or so. Now, remember, watermelons are heavy feeders. So when you first start off with the actual plant, they like fertilizer that's balanced. So like a 444 or 555 NPK rating. So that's how you start these things off. Once they start blooming, as you can see right here, I have flowers going on them. Then you can switch over to a fertilizer that's higher in potassium and phosphorus. Then you'll definitely have a lot more fruit, because these things are heavy feeders. You want to make sure that your soil is very fertile, and then on top of that it's wet. So about 2 to 3 times a week to water your plant, and to make sure that you never let the water touch the actual plant. You want to actually water deep in the soil, water deeply inside of the soil, because these roots go deep. All right. Now, as you can see with my garden, I have a handful of things going on. I play defense with the offense. So I have marigolds protecting my garden, and basil to protect the actual watermelon, because it's not only you that likes to eat this. Other animals and bugs will love to take a chomp out of your watermelon. So the smell of basil keeps these things out, and the actual smell of marigolds keep them out also. So that's how I do it. I plant basil and marigolds all around, and I even go as far as planting green onions. So that's how I go about it.